Hey guys, today we are diving into a super interesting topic. It's about how to make your crypto transactions private and anonymous on Solana. So we'll be looking at a tool called Privacy Cache. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So now head to your Phantom wallet or any Solana compatible wallet. Solfair works too, but I'll be using Phantom for the purpose of this video. So once you're here, click on this icon and type in privacycache.org, privacy.org, and click go. So then click on connect wallet to connect your wallet. So let's click Phantom. So the next step is to input the amount of SOL you wish to transfer. So let's say 0.01. So then click on this box right here to input recipient address, a valid address. So let's head back to home. Let's copy this address. Let's say I'm sending it to this account too. Let's click on deposit crypto. Let's click copy. Let's head back. So let's paste it right here. Let's click send. Guys, I forgot to mention that the minimum amount you could transfer is 1 SOL, and my SOL isn't up to that amount. I currently have $4 worth of Solana in my wallet. Okay guys, so once you paste in, let's say 1 Solana, let's say you wish to transfer 1 SOL, you just paste it right here and then click send. So once you click send, you'll immediately see a very important piece of information. This is like your private key to withdraw your funds later. So copy it and save it securely. Do not lose this. Do not lose it. And then if you lose it, it's like your seed phrase. Your funds will be gone forever. So once you've deposited your funds will now be in a privacy cache pool with other users for better anonymity. It's usually a good idea to, wait a little while before withdrawing, as this lets your transaction blend in with more activity in the pool. So when you're ready to withdraw, go to the withdraw tab. You'll see a withdraw tab. Then paste your secret seed phrase into the box. Then enter a brand new Solana wallet address where you want to receive the funds. This new address should ideally have no, previous transaction history. This is key to maintaining your anonymity, and that's it on how to use Privacy Cache for anonymous crypto transfers on Solana, guys. I hope the video was helpful, guys. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.